Welcome to TechAge YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video where we are going to um, discuss about the podman, how we can just put a container image from dockerhub or from Red Hat registry, okay, and how we can just run a container by using podman, and how we can map a container to local directory, and also we will see how we can run the container as a service, uh, okay, for root user and also for the local user. So our agenda will be our agenda for today video is, okay, like first of all we will pull uh, image, we will pull a container image from docker hub, okay, by using podman, okay. And second one is we are just going to run, we run, so we pull a basically Apache or Apache server, or you can say HTTP container image from Docker Hub by using Podman, and we run the container image by using Podman, okay, and we also map it to map our container to our local directory so that it will display the content of some local directory also, okay. And fourth one is what we just run, we run the container images as a system this service, okay, for root user and also for any local user, okay. So here we basically use the docker hub um, account for logging in into that. You can also use the Red Hat registry credentials. Okay, so let's start our video. So I go here. Now just I am putting my credentials. Okay, now we are here. Just I am clearing my screen. Okay, now first thing first. First we have to log in into the Docker Hub. So for that you need first of all that we have to ensure that Podman is installed in our system. Podman is already comes with pre-installed with RHEl-9. So we did not need to install it, but make sure it's installed. Okay, so how you can make sure? Just you can put the command here like yum install -y podman to confirm. Okay, okay, as you can see, it's saying nothing to do. It's already installed. Okay, so just I will clear my screen. Okay, now what you have to do, just it's we are going to log in into my Docker Hub account so that we can pull a Apache image from there. Okay, so because it supports the Docker images also. Okay, so what we can do, just we go, we write here command podman login. Okay, this is the command. Like and here we have to specify the registry for which we are going to log in. Like here I am using the Docker Hub. So here I will just go with the dockerhub.io. Okay, or you can just use the docker.io. Okay, you can also use the Red Hat registry for the achievement. So here you have to specify your password. Sorry, ID first of all, and give your password. Okay, what it's saying. Okay, okay. We make just a small mistake, so that's why we are facing this issue. So here now this time. So yes, 9161. Okay. Now I'm entering my password. So now this time you can see that we successfully logged in. Okay, into our Docker registry. Okay, you can also use the Red Hat registry for logging in. Okay, if you have their credentials. Okay, so now what we can do? So we just try to find, like we use podman find command here for finding the Apache image. Okay, or you can say HTTPD image. So here just I'm entering HTTP. Okay, sorry. Okay, not find. Just you have to use for finding. You have to search there. Okay, so you can just search for Podman Apache. So it's showing all output which are possible there. So just I am going into the full screen mode. Okay, now you can see that. So here you can choose as per your choice. Like I want to choose. Okay, just scroll up. I have to choose the right Apache image from here. So just it's saying the Apache HTTP server project is here. Okay. So just I will copy this link. Okay, you can also directly pull this image. Okay, now just give the command podman pull and your just your. Okay, it's not copied. We just copy. Okay, now it's trying to pulling the uh, HTTP image. It means Apache image from Docker Hub. Okay, so wait for some moment. It is pulling. So based on the size of image, it can take some time. So it's also time is also depend on your network speed. So yes, only last one is left. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so just we can use the podman images here. Podman images command here. Passing the all images like here it's shown. This is the image ID and size of this image is 173 MB, 123 MB. Okay. So for running this, what we have to two mode. Either you can run into interactive mode, either we can run into directly we can run it. Okay. So for running, we can simply so all if you already use the Docker container uh, management platform, then you can use match you can just correlate that all the command are more or less same, but just only podman is changed here. Okay, so what you can do now? Now you can just run the for running podman for running this image Apache image. You can just use the command podman run and you want to run into this dash mode. So here you can just give uh, -d and then hyphen name for specifying the name. Like here, this is my web first. So I am giving the name my web one. Okay. Now we have to specify the port. Like I want to listen it on port 8080, so here you have to go and I will just I am mapping the port from 80, like here we are mapping our system port on which we want to listen with the container port on which right now it's it will listen. Okay, so just we are mapping it, so just copy this image ID from here and paste it here. And okay, now it's successfully running. So here how we can verify that? Here we have command podman ps here. Yes, our Docker container is running right now. Okay, so it's running on port 8080 and it's mapped to port 80. Okay, so let's see uh, on browser. So what we have to do, just we can launch Firefox from here. So just I use the Firefox followed by end to run Firefox in background. So we have to also leave the full screen. Okay, now our Firefox is loaded successfully. Now just type here HTTP localhost and then your port. Okay, now you can see that it's working properly. Okay, so it's working properly. Now we successfully deployed the Apache server uh, by using Podman. Okay, so now what next we are going to do? Just it's running properly, so we can just cut it from here. Okay, you can edit it as per. I know it's not looking too good, but it's fine. Now what we are going to do? Just we are going to follow the our like here. We pull Apache server. Okay, uh, uh, we also able to run the container image by using Podman. Now we just go to our third agenda, which is we have to now map our container to our local directory. So what we can do now, just create a simple directory here. Okay, like I am going to create a directory mkdir my web one. Okay, and I am going to create first cd to my web one. Okay, now just create a file like here we are going to create my web.html here. Okay, now just go into the insert mode and write some line like this is my local directory HTML page. Okay, so just save it. Okay, for verification we can just get the content of my web.html. Okay, okay, we make it. Now what we can do, just we have to mapping map it. Okay, so for mapping what we can do, just we have to write command here. Podman, just we run it into the detach mode. Okay, now this time it will be my web 2. Okay, my web 2 is the name of my my image. Okay, my container image. Sorry, not container image, will be the name of my container. Okay, so just here I want to run it on port 8081. Okay, and we have to map from 80. Okay, you can also map the port 80 directly, port 80 to port 80. Okay, so that's good. And now we have to, like, I want to map the my web 1 directory. Okay, with the like it will be in user local. Why I am writing this part? Because our uh, Apache server will just hosting the hosting the data of rest docs. Okay, okay. Now just we have to use the our image name. So what just go into the, just I have to open a new window. So here I can use the podman images command here. Okay, this is the my image ID which I have to copy. Okay, just I copied that, and here you have to paste it. Okay, my podman run hyphen d hyphen name my web 2. So basically what we are going to do, just we are going to host the data of my web 2. Okay, so okay, it's created successfully. Now just launch the Firefox one more time. I think Firefox is already running. No, so just launch the Firefox. Okay, in background. Okay, so wait for some few moments and we will see if we are able to map our local directory from Apache server or not. So just right here localhost. Like this time, I just mapped it to the OTT. So just go here. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, it's showing the old content. Okay, still it's showing old content. It means we are not able to successfully bind that. Okay, so what we will do, just press Ctrl C. Now just change the name one more time because it's also running on port 80. So just give it to name my web3, and here we have to change port 80 to 85, and everything is in code. Okay, just hit enter. Okay, now just try to access at port 85. So just go on back to teach. Okay, it means have to rerun the Firefox. Okay, I hope this time we are able to access the our home directory data. Okay, home directory page. So just to go here, type your localhost, and now this time our port is 85. So it means we are just missing something. Okay, how we can verify that? So verifying that we have to go here. Okay, just I am going into full screen mode so that okay, I can find the what I am doing wrong here. Okay, podman run detachment meanwhile. Yes, we are mapping the port properly. Yes, I am mapping the port 85 to 80. Just my one visual local 50 doc. Okay, friends, just yes, I find my mistake. Like here, my mistake is I am not giving the proper directory. Okay, that's why I am not able to map properly. So here it will be Apache 2 and then htdocs. Apache 2, just we have to also change the name and port, or you have to just if you don't want to change it, then just open a new window and type here podman px here, and just I want to close this my web3. So you can just you can use the command podman rm -f. Okay, my web3. Okay, we just close, and I also want to close my web2. So now this time you can just use the podman ps here. Yes, that now only put is funded. So we are free to use now this name also. Now we are free to use my web3, and we are free to use the port 85. My web1 user local Apache 2 instead of yes. Seems good. Okay. Just try to access. Go into the leave the full screen first and just go here, and which port we use 85. Okay, that's good. Just control R. So it's saying you don't have permission to access this resource. Okay, so why you are not able to access this resource? Because I think RHEl Linux is not giving the permission for access. Okay, because this is the custom Apache port. So what we have to do, just we have to allow this port in SC Linux, or we can just, if possible, then we can also make it to permission. Okay, so just use the get info command here to know the status of SC Linux. So it's right now in info mode. So we can just use the command manage for adding a port, adding a custom port like I want to add it. You can also just make it to permissive mode. We can change. You can also change the Linux mode. But right now I am just adding my port. So you can just add it by using the command manage port. And here also we have to specify the context type, which is HTTP port P. Okay, HTTP port type, and here you have to specify the protocol like I want to move TCP and 85. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, then okay, I am missing something. So what I am missing? What is saying? Okay, okay, that's good. So it means I missed something. Okay, here we have to just give the command sc manage port add. Okay, just give the hyphen a parameter here. I you basically forget about the um, right syntax, but I think it's okay. Now this time we are successfully able to add. Okay, so as I already know, if you have to become a good system administrator, then you have to make friendship with these heroes. Okay, now it's just press Control R. It's you don't have permission to access this resource. So what you have to do, just you can now use the chmod command. Okay, chmod. Okay, followed by hyphen R and to 777 to my web because I want to make it publicly accessible. So just give this command. Okay, by saying this, my web. Okay, sorry guys, my web was. Okay, now this time I hope we are able to access. So just set in for set in force. We are just going into the permission mode. Now this time we are able to access. So it means we not added the right port here. So that's why SLNX is not giving the permission. Okay, now this time you can see that we are successfully able to access this custom port also. Okay, so now what is our fourth agenda is like we want to run this container image as a system D service. So what we have to do? So just go here and cut it. Now just we want to add it to run as a system service. So the command is actually very easy. So you don't have to do some. So you have to just remember like we are just going to generate. So you have to use the command for podman generate system D, and here you have to give the container name. Like here I can give the container name to my web3. Okay, my web3. It means my web3 will run when I start my systemctl command. Okay, so overall idea behind adding it as a service so that we can just control it as a other normal services. Okay, like HTTPD and any other service. Okay, so just I given the container name and just I am redirecting it to the etc systemd. Okay, and where in systemd we have to just go for the system, and here we have to just give the container name like web3. Okay, just give the name like my web three dot service. Okay, what is saying? Okay, just use the command systemctl diamond reload here. Systemctl diamond reload. Okay, okay, sorry guys. Just we make a small mistakes. So now just try to use the command like systemctl start systemctl. First of all, let I want to know the status. Okay, status of my what I gave the name my web 3. Okay, my web 3 system systemctl status. Now this is showing this service is either in a inactive state, either it is in okay dead state. So what we can do right now, just we can start this service by using this command. So now I will play. Okay, now check the status one more time. Okay, now this time you can see that our my web 3 is successfully running by using the systemctl command. So in this manner we are able to just make our container to be run by the systemctl command, and we can also make it enable so that it will run permanently. So how we can just do it? So we have to just write here enable web3. Okay, now you can see that it's working properly. Okay, so now right now we just make our container to run as a system service, but I done it for the root user. So steps or command will be changed for the another user. So just I am using here another user, add user by using Saurabh, add user Saurabh. Yes, I just gave a password to Saurabh. Okay, okay. Now just success to the Saurabh. Okay, just type yes here. Okay, now type the password of Saurabh. Okay, now just we logged in as user Saurabh. Now this time we have to also do the same steps, like we have to log in Docker Hub, and then we have to pull the HTTPD image, and we have to just I have to do all things because now this is the separate user. Like here, if you run the command podman ps here, it will not show the any process, and if you also run the podman images there, then it's not show the any image. So what we have to do, we have to follow just all the steps. Okay, so just I will go into the full screen mode, and I will show it's how you can just do it. Okay, first of all, just use the command like podman login. Where we want to login, just specify the like registry one dot docker dot io. Registry one docker dot io. Just specify your username and enter your credentials here. Okay. Okay. Now our login is successed. So we are ready to just first of all we search or we find the Apache image. Okay. So that what we can use, we can just use the podman search command here. Let's see, okay, podman search, for which we want to search. We just want to search for the Apache image. So just use this. Okay, now just copy this image. Just copy this, and here we are going to pull podman pull. Okay, now it will pull the Apache image from dockerhub or docker register, you can say. So we have to wait for some few moments. Okay, now we are doing all the step because I am going to show the step how you can just run this Docker, um, Docker or Podman image as a system service for non-root user. Okay, these steps are changed from the root user. Okay, so that's why I am showing it. So now we are successfully able to pull the image. Now just using Podman images here. Yes, we are able to pull that. So now just give the command podman run. We want to run in these statements to D and also here just give the name like my web one and here specify the port. I want to map it to port 8080 so that did not have any issue with SC Linux. Okay, I already disabled the SC Linux, so it will also not going to create any issue. So here just specify your image ID. Okay, code may run in the test mode. Name will be the my weapon port and yes, good. So it's saying okay, address is already in use. So it's already in use by the. So I am just going to stop that. So I am just leaving the full screen. Okay, I will go here and I will just use the podman ps. Okay, already. Okay, okay, it's so just use the podman rm f here. My web one. Okay, okay. Now just ensure that. Okay, now we are not using the port 8080. Port 8080 is free now. So just I will go into the full screen mode. Okay, it, what is saying is already in use by this. You have to remove container name. I will be already in use by this. Okay, that's good. I will take a new name because I don't want to mess with theme. Sorry, just put 10 here. So it will be my webcam. Okay, now the time we successfully run this. Now how we can just yes, you are able to access it, but I am not showing the how by just accessing it. Okay. Now my agenda is to show how you can just run it as a service. Okay. So here we have to use the same command, but in different way. Like here I am just using podman. Okay. Generate. The command will be same. We have to also use the podman generate also here. So like podman generate system B. Okay. And here you have to give the name. Okay, like here I am giving the name my web tab. Okay, that's good for me. Okay, just now I am redirecting it to where? Just to, okay, from directory of this user. Okay, and here home directory config. So this is the fixed location. Okay, you are not able to change it. So here, just I am going to give my webcam dot service. Okay, if everything is good, okay, podman generate system D and the name of my container, which is my web10, yes, and config system D user my web10, yes. So it's saying no such file or directory. Okay, so my what is creating. So let we create it manually. Okay, okay. First we have to create it. So just use the command mkdir first, mkdir, and just copy this location. Okay, copy this. Okay, just I copied it. Now just paste it here. Okay, create it. Okay, I am created. Now just execute the same command. Okay, now this time this command executed without error. So now just use the systemctl diamond reload for reloading the diamond. Okay, you have to give your password. Okay, authentication is required to reload the system state. Okay, 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 okay. It's giving access denied. I forget about my password. So that's why, like, it's asking for the corruption. So I will forget about now. This I'm just okay. How you can also able to load this diamond? Eh, what is the password? I did not. Oh, I forget my password, so I'm not able to log in. Okay, it's giving access denied error every time for reloading the diamond. So just these are the steps. Now you have to just reload the diamond. Now and after reloading the diamond, you are able to use the like systemctl status my web can command here. Okay. Right now it's saying my web can service not found, but after this you are surely 100% you are able to do. Just I am here, just going here, and I try to remember my password, and I will come to show you. Just one more thing we can what we can do it. Just we leave the full screen and we go here and here we just change the password as the Saurav. Okay, now just I enter the new password here, and after entering new password, okay, I will try it here. Okay, so just do this. Okay, now okay, it means it's a different user, so that's why I am facing this problem. So how you can just verify this? That it's asking for password for different user, which is not this user is Saurabh Singh. Okay, so we have to change the password for Saurabh Singh. Okay, so that's why I am facing the problem. Saurabh and Saurabh Singh are two different users, and it's asking password for Saurabh Singh. So just give the command pass wd Saurabh Singh here. Okay, now just enter the password here. Okay, so this type of issue a administrator can face. So just now we will go into the full screen mode, and now just Systemctl diamond reload and enter the updated password. Now this time you can see that authentication is completed. Okay, so guys, you can also face this type of issue. So right now just clear this screen. Now try to run Systemctl. Okay, status for my web 10. If everything seems good, no, it's not good. Why? So first check the who am I, because I think we are missing okay something like this is the user Saurabh. Okay, okay, this is user Saurabh. But let's check the our historical command here. Okay, just let's here. Okay, let's here. Now cd to home. Let's here. Now there is two users, Saurabh and Saurabh Singh. Now just go to the Saurabh first and ls here, and it's not saying anything, so ls icon LA here. Now, okay guys, here you can say that config file is not present here because config file is I think here, so that's why. Okay, now just cd dot here. Okay, cd to Saurabh Singh. Okay, it's saying permission denied. So config file we have to, okay, config file is there. So friends, just go to the config file. So that we are able to guess why we are facing this issue. Okay, this cd to config. Sorry, system D is also here. So we will go to the system D, and now ls here, and user is also here. So just cd to user and ls here. Okay, my web. Okay, my service name is my web 10, so that's why I'm here. So, but I check the status of my web 10. So why I face this issue? It means my web 10. Guys, it's getting complex. So just run the podman PS here. Yes, my container name is also my web10. So just try to use one more time systemctl time on reload because everything seems good. Okay, authenticating for the and just asking again asking password for the store option. Now it's saying authentication complete. Okay, sorry guys. Here we have to use specify the user. Okay, user diamond reload. Okay, so this is the case why we are facing the issue. So I forget about that. Now we have to just use the like here. Just we have to use the systemctl hyphen user here every time. Like here, if I want to check the status of my web10, so just use those. Okay, systemctl user status my web10. Yes, now this time you can see that my service status is in disabled. So how what we can do? Just we start it. Job my friend because service did not take the steps required by the unit configuration. User status. Okay, okay, sorry. So this time we so first of all let's try to use user time and reload one more time. Okay, now what we will do, we will just start my web 10 dot service. My web 10 dot service. Okay, now this time it's started successfully. So just to check the status. Now this time you can see that our service is running. Let's try to access it. So how we can just access it? Just to go for the web Firefox and put a and symbol here. Okay, so that it can run in the background. Okay, one more time. Just verify the port and which okay, it's running on port 8080. So just we will leave the full screen. Okay, wait for some moment to we are waiting for Firefox to come up so that we can verify it. So now we successfully able to run our podman container as a normal services. Okay, so this is the overall idea how you can also do this. Okay, we have to wait for some few moments. Okay, launch Firefox from here because it's not coming up and we are waiting at Firefox. Okay, now it's come up. Just go here and type the HTTP local host, and its running port is 8080. So now it's saying it's worked. Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. And troubleshooting are the part, and troubleshooting is the best thing which a system administrator can do. Okay, during their career. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, friends.